advantage of welded connection. Noise produced in welding process is relatively less. The following is stated to lug angle. Lug angle क्या है? If the strength of the lug angle of fastener connected lug angle is versus should be increased at least 10% more than the force in outstanding. The strength of the fastener connection at the lug angle as remember should be at least 40% more than the force in outstanding line. ठीक है? The shear force for which each lacing shall be designed if two parallel systems are there in column. ये कहा तो 1.25 of the axial force in the column. We can't for shear deformation. The effective slenderness ratio of batten and the column should be taken as 1.1 the maximum electrical slenderness ratio of the column. ठीक है. मैक्सिमम पिच ऑफ द फॉर टेंशन कंप्रेशन नंबर सी 16 और 200 मीटर whichever less टेंशन के लिए कंप्रेशन के लिए 12 2 और इफ गोस इन जब लेवल मैक्सिमम साइज ऑफ प्लेट 12 20 mm to 32 mm प्लेट के लिए कितना होता है 6 mm. What is the section modulus required to design an angle column which experience the maximum bending moment of 10 mm? It's made up of FA 250 grade circle equal to 45.75. This is going to be on here. ठीक है. पुलिंग मतलब क्या था? पुलिंग सब्जेक्ट टू वेंड लोड therefore the button simple strength are required to be increased by 30.50. A rectangular simply supported beam of span 4 meter 300 to 700 mm. It cross sections each running force with 3 bars of 20 mm on a tension side at an effective cover of 50 mm. The beam experiences an imposed working load of 20 kg per meter. As well density of concrete is 25 kg per meter. What is the maximum bending moment? ये कहा जाता है 50.5 kg per meter square. Maximum W also a rectangular concrete cantilever beam is made up of M25 grade concrete and Fe415 grade steel. What is the modular ratio of the section? Assuming the modulus of electricity of 2 into 10 by 5 ohm is equal to 5225. M is equal to EC by EC. Which of the following statement related to the limit state design criteria for a state design of the structure? Here by 1 and 2. Design or its elements should not collapse when related to the design. The structure should not become unfit for use due to cracking or excessive deflection. What is the theoretical value of effective length of a compressive member when it is effectively held in position at both ends but not reached against rotation? तो सी मतलब क्या हो गया? ये देखो effective value of effective length of a compressive member when it is not effectively held in position at both ends but not reached against सी मतलब 1.0. अब देखो in RCC beam 200 mm wide 450 meter deep is reinforced with Fe415 grade steel of area 1000 mm square on tension side with an effective cover of 50 mm. If the shear reinforcement is 100 mm square, the stirrup is provided at a spacing of 150 mm center to center. What is the ultimate shear stress corresponding to the shear response? अब देखो VAC is equal to ASB 0.87 FY D upon ST. ये होगा तो 96.28. An RCC beam having 200 mm wide and 400 mm effective is reinforced with Fe415 grade steel of area 1000 mm square in tension. Assume M20 grade control. What is the approximate value of depth of metal for equilibrium of force at the limit shear of collapse? 250 mm हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब देखो x equal to 0.87 FY AST about 0.36 FCK into B. What is the percentage of reinforcement of an axially loaded short square column of 400 mm side to support a factored load of 16 kN? M20 और Fe415. ठीक है. नाश्ता मत बनाओ, वही नाश्ता कर लूँगा. ठीक है.
5 ऐसा डब्बा और चाहिए मुझे.
ले लेंगे. PU is equal to 0.4 FCK AC. फ्राइडे को याद दिलाना. 0.4 FCK ग्रुप में नाम से डालो. 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FY ASC. ESC equal to AC upon B square into 100. It's simply supported beam of RCC of 1 way slab. A simply supported RCC beam 1 way slab for an office has a clean dimension of 4 meter and 10 meter with 230 meter mm wall zone. What is the effective length of the slab? Take the effective breadth of the slab is 1 cm. LX to 4 meter LX होता है. अगर ये का तो 1 way slab होगा. L effective तो LCF plus D हो गया. LCF तो L effective O plus W हो गया. So this can 4.16 है. Minimum दोनों के लिए. Member in which entire cross section of the concrete has an uniform compressive pressure. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Exam pressure stressing बोलते हैं. M45 concrete as per IS 1343 200 in which correct value of alpha C to the outdense shrinkage क्या होता है? 60. M45 को 65/6 होता है. ठीक है. Pre-stress concrete beam of section 120 mm into 3 mm is used over an effective span of 6000 mm to support a uniformly distributed load of 4 kg including the self weight The beam is pre-stressed by a strength cable having a pre-stress having force of 180 1 kilonewton. Look at the centricity of 50 mm. What is the stress due to pre-stress fault? ये का तो 5 kilonewton. कैसे होगा? Adjusting P upon A रुक क्यों रही है? E by Z होता है 5 to 1. स्ट्रेस टॉप 5 पर 0 और नीचे का 10 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब द कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर P upon A. Consider following. B viscosity modifying agent allow the concrete to remain cohesive even after with a high degree of fluidity. दूसरा क्या self consolidated concrete can be used for beam column joint in earthquake resistant structure. ये हो गया. ठीक है. So the following is correct. अब देखो part is a method of necessarily project duration of a time sentient domain. ठीक है. So the following not considered for estimation of activity duration. If the time unit of the working are being used as assume an expansion day खत्म है. तुम पी नहीं पाओगे. मौकेगा. Maximum working condition. 6 evaluate activities at one at a time. For activities assume if the time of working class is used assume a normal work day. Use concentrate time to वो हो गया. ठीक है. अब अगला. Which one of the following not connected to the total float? Total float can be calculated by subtracting a solution from the equal. The total float is subtracting its early start time from its late start time. Subtracting the early finish time from the late finishes to provide a total float. Activities with zero total float is called critical element. For heavy civil projects, examination of weight and dimension limit of the road is related to किससे होता है equipment planning से. The basic objective of the which one of the following is to supply and support the field operation so that stabilized time operation can be met and cost can be kept within the question budget. ये क्या होता है resource management. Which of the following not the case of equipment management. D नहीं है. Examination of weight dimension limit of the mechanical work. What should be planned and scheduled to achieve the fullest use of every equipment unit to the maximum extent possible. The equipment sent to the job should be of two types. That will be best perform the work under the temptation to overload equipment in a effort to get more production is common counterproductive. अभी देखो who for not correct Gantt chart. The time operation correct response is numerical. Activity is illustrated as bar on horizontal timeline. Beginning and end of a bar coincide with the activity starting any time. This is given that how the activity is. Which one of the following statement is not correct related to a life of balance schedule. It allows the planning team a single sequence without any option. ठीक है. हाँ काट लिया. हाँ. So this is correct. What is suitable for the estimation of activities while higher level of uncertainty is there. Statement C. Building operation modeling has the ability to produce 3D CAM model. सही बात है. Sequential construction operation can be studied and schedule can be predicted from the BIM model. BIM has the capability of adding what some refers to the fifth dimension and the verbal representation of the thing. अभी देखो. ए क्या होता है तुमको रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. रिसोर्स प्लानिंग क्या होता है तुमको टू जुडिशियस एलोकेशन ऑफ द फिजिकल रिसोर्स. मेन पावर लेवलिंग ये का तुमको क्रिटिकल इंप्रूवमेंट ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम डिवर्सिटी. सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट गेटिंग द करेक्ट मटेरियल टू द वर्कफोर्स वो हो गया. फॉर रिपीटेटिव ऑपरेशन द बेटर इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम किससे होता है लाइन ऑफ बैलेंस. द डेंसिटी ऑफ फूड कैन बी यूज फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन विद 1.5 to 1.6 which is not correct. C. Pale bricks are overburnt obtained from outerport clinker. Rustic bricks are metallic texture finish varying in pattern. Iron is overburnt also known as clinker brick obtained from inner portion of the clean. सही बात है. Body brick are well burnt up fine central portion of the clean. अब D में क्या होगा तुमको. Addition of lime makes the glass fluid and suitable for blowing. Excess of soda increases the safety. Silica is used in the form of pure quartz. The thickness of 5 plywood wall for structure purpose available. किसमें 6 mm और 9 mm. The minimum required composite system for 3 grade ordinary potential transfer कितना है 23. अब देखो D मतलब क्या Al2O3 SiO2 और वो हो गया CO 7% SiO2 7% Al2 8%. एक्सेस ऑफ सिलिका में क्या होता है ब्रिटल बर्निंग हो जाता है. ठीक है. स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी विकेट. स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी तुमको क्या होता है तुमको स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी को लेस एटल फ्लास सेटिंग टाइम विकेटर पैटर्न साउंडनेस ऑटोक्लेव फाइनेस ब्रेन अपार्टस. ये होगा. जो फुली मेजर द वर्केबिलिटी ऑफ लाइम. ये होगा. स्टैंडर्ड फ्लो टाइम टेबल और ट्रंकेटेड कोनिकल मोड. जो फुली नॉट एक्सेस ऑफ लाइम. इसमें कौन सा नहीं दी. इट इज स्टिफनेस इजीली एंड रेजिस्टेंट टू मॉइस्चर. ये गड़बड़ है. तो मतलब सही क्या है. लाइम प्रोसेस गुड प्लास्टिसिटी एंड इजी टू वर्क विद. ये सही है. द एक्सीलेंट सिमेट्रियस प्रॉपर्टी मेक्स इट मोर सुटेबल फॉर मेसनरी वर्क के लिए. सिंकेज ऑन ड्राइंग इज लार्ज बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाई वाटर कंसिडर फॉलोइंग. सी. स्लेकिंग टेक्स प्लेस ऑन एडिंग वाटर इन लाइम. हार्डनिंग टेक्स प्लेस ऑन एडिंग वाटर इन सीमेंट. ये दो चीज़ हो गए. Who the following not correct with respect to mixed design. इंक्रीजिंग द वाटर कंटेंट बियॉन्ड द रिक्वायर्ड फॉर प्लास्टिसिटी causes the strength to increase constantly. गड़बड़ है तो क्या होगा, द मिक्स should be must be workable so that it can be placed and finished easily. पहली बात, सीमेंट इज मोस्ट इज कॉस्टली इंग्रेडिएंट, कॉस्टली हो गया. तीसरा का स्ट्रेंथ एंड वाटर टाइटनिंग इंक्रीज विद द डेंसिटी ऑफ मिक्स, ये सही बात है. द वैल्यू ऑफ पॉइजन रेशियो फॉर कास्ट आयरन ये होता है 0.2 से 0.3 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. अब cylindrical bar of 25 mm diameter and 1.2 meter length is relative longitudinal strength during tensile test is 4 times lateral strength. What is the value of shear modulus? इसमें d क्या होता है, mu is equal to lateral strength per longitudinal 1/4 है, E is equal to 2g 1 minus mu, यहाँ से g is equal to 2 है. So the following is not correct. For structural strain the rupture strength is higher than the ultimate strength. ये गड़बड़ है. तो देखो yield strength is the lower stress in which the extension of the chest piece increases without fabric. The ultimate strength is commonly taken as the maximum stress of the material. Ultimate strength is the ratio of maximum load in the a prismatic bar has a cross section of 25 into 50 mm and length of 2. If the subject has to execute from the bar is located 1 tensile stress. देखो इसमें हो जाएगा, यहाँ से आ गया. The dominant stress across the principal plane को क्या बोलते हैं आप, प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेस बोलते हैं. Principal stress at any point in elastic modulus 2ft 1ft और 50. What is value of f at failure using maximum principal stress theory? d 105 सिग्मा b सिग्मा y अपन f हो जाएगा, ठीक है. फैक्टर ऑफ 2f इक्वल टू 2 तो वहाँ आ जाएगा. Consider the following statement related to maximum shear stress theory. 2 मतलब गैस थ्योरी इसमें कौन सा गलत है, 2 है. डक्टाइल के लिए सही है, रिजल्ट फॉर डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर हैविंग लार्ज लास्ट, ये भी सही है. Which of the following statement is correct for isotopic metal case? Shear force is not independent of Young modulus, और ये गड़बड़ है, ये सही है, ठीक है. बाकी तो पता ही है, 2g 1 minus 2 is equal to k 1 minus 2. A body is loaded elastically in y direction and takes O हो गया y, d is equal to sigma y sigma b 1 minus mu. What are the 3 stages in between in a body under the stress sigma x or 10 sigma equal to 10 sigma 0 और इतना हो जाएगा सॉल्यूशन. मतलब a is equal to sigma x sigma y, तो b में ये हो जाएगा और c equal to ये हो जाएगा. A cantilever beam of 4 meter span carries 3.1 meter cube 22 meter as you can see. What is the minimum extremity from x support? ये beam equal to mx plus 2 into m equal to minus 2. Assembly loaded beam of 9 meter carries a point load of 30 km at 2 meter from left end if the curve of radial of 20 km of 4 meter span up from the right spot. What is the value of shear stress 5 km? ये 4 km per meter square. ठीक है, जो फॉर्मूला यहाँ से निकाल के what the ratio of elongation of a rectangular bar due to self weight to the elongation of the each width of the total weight of the bar applied to the sigma 1 to WL upon 2a sigma 2 WL upon a required from the ground. The stress on two perpendicular planes through a point at 60 km or a CF. What is the absolute normal stress on the देखो a ये रहा फॉर्मूला sigma x और sigma plus और sigma cos theta plus tau चिन्ह होते हैं यहाँ से, और दूसरा में ये हो गया. What is the following statement correct? The rate of change of bending moment changes abruptly at the location of point load. A cantilever beam is subject to point load against gravity at its free and the variation nature of the bending moment क्या हो जाएगा, तो b linear और sagging हो जाएगा, ठीक है. A cast iron has 300 mm of bore and 10 mm metal thickness and supported at 2.8 meter per. What is the internal area pipe? हम लोग ये है a parabolic 3 meter hedge 3 meter पापा 3 parabolic 3 meter arc carried UDL 30 mm on the left half of it. It has span of 60 meter and centralized to the resultant thrust. ये एच यहाँ से आएगी, रिजल्टेंट थ्रस्ट यहाँ. थ्रस्ट मतलब दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, ठीक है. ए बीम फिक्स्ड से रिलेटेड टू ए सेंट्रल पार्ट point load against gravity, the number of points of point of failure and the point position respectively. Because c is equal to 2 into L/4 from the center of the, okay. अब L/4 point of number of दो होगा लोकेशन जो है L/4 को. If the one of the support is fixed beam in that beam surface, what is the nature of end moment? B. Both will be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. A may be m6 E upon delta. The rectangular cross section beam of the size 305 degrees to shear force of 20. What is the nature? Shear stress as 150 mm above measure. As what is B upon 2I d square by 4 minus y square. अब वो फॉर्मूला यहाँ आता है. Usually follow not the terms of Euler combination. Self weight of the column is considered. Which of the following is not the assumption of Euler column? Euler weight of column neglected. If a rigid joint plate frames in the introduction pin and to all members at a joint produce an additional equation equal to कितना हो जाएगा, number of points at the joint minus 1 ये हो जाएगा 4 minus 1 equal to 3. अब देखो D. The distribution factor for fixed and pin support is 0 and since any moment is resisted and by equal number within the support and no balance is required. ठीक है, ये गड़बड़ है. In case of pin support the distribution factor is equal to 1.26 100% and carry over half हो जाएगा. अभी देख लो, wood is essentially organic and made up of skeleton of course cellulose being predator with lignin. सही बात है. The organisms are not susceptible to attack by air or predator और ठीक है. Any orthogonal set of I-152 सही बात है. Distance half the beam सही बात है. There may be as known as forces as their equation equilibrium. However, instances or movement of such a member can develop because of improper constraining of by the support. These can be occur if all the support directions are concurrent at a point and when the directions are parallel. ठीक है. अब देखो सही बात है. The negative derivative of the velocity potential with respect to any direction gives the सही बात है. The partial velocity component gives the velocity component of the. अब देखो इन हार्डी क्रॉस में ट्रायल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ डिस्चार्ज मेड आर्बिट्रेरली सही बात है. और डेल्टा क्रॉस मास भी सही बात है. क्रॉस ड्रेनेज फंक्शन स्ट्रक्चर क्रॉस एक्चुअली इन लाइन चैनल ओवर और बिलो और एट द सेम फिगर ओवर एक्वाडक्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन फुली सप्लाई इज मच मोर देन हाई लेवल ऑफ स्टेट सही बात है.